Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a PDF in a Wix website. If you want to display a PDF directly on your Wix site so visitors can view it easily, this process is very simple once you know where to find the right tool. Adding a PDF to your website can be useful for many different purposes. For example, you can use it to display menus, brochures, pricing guides, company documents, product catalogs, forms, or any other information you want your visitors to access directly from your website. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Wix editor without confusion. Start by opening your Wix website and going to the page where you want the PDF to appear. It's a good idea to decide in advance where on the page the document should be placed, especially if you want it to fit neatly with the rest of your layout. This will make the setup feel smoother as you add the element. Before adding the PDF viewer, think about how visitors will interact with the document. For example, placing a product catalog near your online store section or adding a downloadable brochure on your homepage can make it easier for users to find important information. Once you're on the correct page, go to the top left corner of the editor and click Add. This is where Wix keeps all the content elements you can insert into your site. After that, click Elements. Inside this section, you'll be able to search for the feature you need. In the search area, type in DOC Viewer. This is the element Wix uses to display documents like PDFs on a page. The DOC Viewer element allows your visitors to view your document directly on the website, instead of needing to leave the page and open a separate file. When it appears in the results, add it to your site. After it's been inserted, you can move it into position and adjust its size later if needed, so it fits your design better. You can resize the viewer based on your page layout. For example, a larger viewer may work better for a detailed brochure, while a smaller size may be enough for a simple document. Next, double-click the Doc Viewer element to open its settings. This is where you'll connect your document. When the Settings panel appears, scroll down until you see the Document option. Click on that, and from there, you'll be able to upload your PDF file. Choose the PDF you want to use, and let Wix attach it to the DOC Viewer. Make sure you select the correct PDF file before uploading, especially if you have multiple documents saved on your computer. Using a clear file name can make this process much easier. Once the upload is complete, your document will be connected to that section of the docs. At this point, the setup is basically done. One important thing to keep in mind is that Wix notes that documents may only display on your published live site. So if you don't see the PDF working exactly as expected inside the editor, that doesn't necessarily mean anything is wrong. This is a common situation when working with Wix elements. Some features may not fully display in the editor preview, but will work correctly once the website is published. To properly test it, go ahead and publish your website. Then open the live version of the page and check the document there. Testing the live version is the best way to confirm that your visitors will see the PDF correctly. That's all it takes to add a PDF to your Wix website. If needed, you can always return to the DOC Viewer settings and replace the document later. This is helpful if you regularly update files, such as changing a monthly menu, updating a product catalog, replacing a company brochure, or adding a newer version of an important document. So now you know how to quickly add and manage PDF files inside your Wix website using the DOC Viewer element.